Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make a sweet Nigerian jollof rice without any tomatoes. Yes, I didn't add any tomatoes at all to this rice. So if this is the kind of video you're interested in, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. So guys, to make this jollof rice, I'll be using my red bell pepper, that's setache. I also have cayenne pepper. I've gone ahead to wash and then remove all the seed, okay? And I have my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic. For my seasonings, I'm using curry powder, thyme, chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. Okay, just feel free to use any seasoning or spice of your choice. So these are my seasonings in here. I have my carrots, which I've washed. I've already scraped the back and I've diced it, okay, so that it will be easy for me to blend. For my protein, I'm using chicken. I have my onions here, which I've washed and sliced. I have my rice here. I've washed this rice. I'm using the regular rice, okay? So guys, let's start cooking. We'll go ahead now to start cooking our chicken. So guys, to cook this chicken, I've gone ahead to add in my chicken in a clean pot, and I'll be adding in my blended pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. I'll be adding extra onion to this, okay? And I'll be seasoning it with my seasonings. Just season with any seasoning of your choice. I'll set the chicken until the ingredient marries the chicken very well. Then I will cover the pot and I will allow the chicken to cook, okay? Our chicken is well cooked now, so it's time for us to start frying our chicken. If you have watched me up to this point, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, okay? So guys, we'll start frying our chicken now. In a dry pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. I'll be going in with some butter. I'll allow this to heat up before adding in the next ingredient. Once the oil is hot, I will go in with onion for extra flavor. Then I'll start frying the chicken. I'll fry this chicken until it is nicely fried. Our chicken is nicely fried. I'm going to bring it out from the oil and then we'll start making our rice. In the same oil I used to fry the chicken, I'm going to be adding in my carrot mix. That's my blended carrots, my petashi, cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. I'm going to add it now and I'm going to cover the pot. Allow this to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? And then we'll come back to add in the next ingredients. It's time for us to add in the next ingredient. I'll be going in with my chopped onion, adding as little or as much onion as you like, okay? I'll be seasoning this now. Just the same seasonings I used for my chicken. I'll be going on with some salt, I'll add in my chicken stock, I'll be going on with some water. I'll go in with my rice. I'm done mixing the rice now. I'm going to be adding just small water that will be a little above the rice to cook the rice, okay? So guys, I will cover this pot now and I will allow this rice to cook on low heat, okay? Guys, at this point Nigerian NEPA took the lights, but this video have to be made, okay? So our carrot jollof rice is ready, guys. This rice came out so delicious. You wouldn't even know there is no single tomatoes in it. Let me know in the comment section if you would love to make this rice, and if you have watched me up to this point, if not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, guys. Like this video. If you have watched me up to now and you are yet to click on that thumbs button, please help me to click on that like button and like the video, okay? Let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Guys, our carrot jollof rice is ready. So now I'm just going to add in just onions, my remaining onions, to garnish the rice. This is optional if you want. If you don't want, you can just leave it. I'm going to mix everything together now until everything is well mixed. Guys, look how yummy and delicious this carrot jollof rice is looking like. This rice came out so yummy and so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this recipe before. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you have not, let me know if this is what you would love to try. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please subscribe, like, share and comment, okay? Bye.